How to enable sound in Google Meet screen share. If any day you are a Google Meet user and you're sharing your screen in the Google Meet, and there you would also like to share your very audio in the Google Meet, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very Google Meet on your mobile device. You can go to the search icon on your mobile device, search Google Meet out there. Otherwise, you can manually find the Google Meet on your very mobile device by scrolling left or right. After you find the very application of the Google Meet, you have to tap on Google Meet like this. And after you tap on Google Meet, now Google Meet will be launched on your very mobile device. Now, after Google Meet is launched on your very mobile device, now you have to launch the very meeting in the Google Meet where you would like to share the screen. You can go to the option of new like this, and after tapping on new, you can also create a group out there and launch the Google Meet. Otherwise, what you can do is with the help of your very own code, you can also create a very Google Meet option out there and create a meeting in the Google Meet. So, whatever you have to first launch a very meeting in the Google code or the Google Meet out there, and after you launch the very meeting in the Google Meet, now you can just carry on the next steps as well. So for that, the most easy step is you can go like this and then go to the option of create the link, and after you tap on the option of the create a link, now you have to wait for a while until the next interface like this will open. Now you have to go to the option of join the meeting like this, and after you tap on the option of join the meeting, the interface. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.